Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be looking into taking care of our hair, skin with natural resources around us. Over the last 10 years, I have not used shampoo or skincare products. And there are a few choices that are natural, ready, available around us that we can use. Rice water. The starchy water left after rinsing rice has important antioxidants, minerals, vitamins B and E, which help hair stay soft and shiny. We can also use this liquid as a moisturizer for our skin. This liquid also acts as a healthy agent for our gum and our teeth. Just hold the liquid in our mouth for about 2 minutes and you'll be surprised with what it can do. Here I have the liquid collected and we leave it for a few hours. And then we pour away the top portion of the liquid and we keep the concentrated part, which is the bottom part of the jar, and then we use that part for our hair, our skin, for our gum and our teeth. For our hair or skin, we can use a cotton ball and dip the liquid and apply that to the roots of your hair or the skin area. And after the liquid is dried out, we can wash it off. Grapefruit skin. It contains vitamins A and C, boosts the hair growth, has the ability to protect, cleanse, revitalize, enhancing immunity system, strengthening the hair, and much more. So this is homegrown, but if you purchase them from the shop, they would be sprayed with chemicals. So before you use them, you need to wash them off with some salt water or whatever that you need to wash them off to clear away the chemical before you use them. We'll add some water just halfway, not cover up with water because we want a concentrated liquid. When the water starts to boil, turn the volume down to the minimum, the lowest, and leave it there for 15 minutes, boiling slowly on minimum. And with the lid on because the vapor is the oil that we want. So make sure the lid is on, and when everything is cooled down, then you pull it out into a jar. And then you use about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, depends on your hair. And then you keep the rest in the fridge. And when you use it, you can warm it up a little bit before you use it. And use a cotton ball to dip the liquid and apply it on the roots of your hair. After 20 minutes or more, the liquid dried up, and wash the hair with water. Lemon juice has high level of vitamins and minerals. It helps boost collagen, improve hair growth. It's a good cleansing agent and help reduce hair fall and keep the hair shiny. You would need half of the lemon So apply the liquid onto the roots of the hair, and after they dried, wash it off with water. Coconut oil. We can use it on our hair, skin, gums, teeth, as well as cooking. So coconut oil is solid normally, and before we use it, we will warm it up in the microwave a little bit so it melted, and then use a cotton ball, apply it onto your hair or your skin. And you can also hold the liquid in your mouth for our gum and our teeth. Baking soda. This one is a good choice if you are traveling. Easy to carry around and easy to use. Half a teaspoon, add some warm water to it, and then pour it straight onto your hair. Baking soda is only a cleansing agent, not like other that we've mentioned, so no need to leave it on our skin. Wash it off straight away. Just like washing your hair with shampoo, except there is no bubble. So this one is quick and easy to use. It has a very deep cleansing effect. If you use it more than 3 months, it might cause some dry skin. Using this time to fully live the moment. Be present with awareness when we apply the liquid to the skin. Massage the roots of the hair. Aware of the pressure of the hands on our skin. Send love and gratitude to the hair, the skin, the body. And feel the skin absorb the nutrients, the vitamins from the liquid. Watch nature taking a shower. Can you feel the joy, the nourishment they are receiving while having a shower? Follow nature's way. Enjoy and absorb the nutrients in the water the same way on our skin. Feel the whole cosmos is sending love, washing away dust, nourishing us with love, and giving us everything that we needed in this liquid. Thank you, thank you, thank you.